Would you want to get paid $100 for no work, in seconds? Stay tuned till the end of this video. I shall show you a brand new exciting product. Introducing the most profitable and value for money product 100 system review and bonuses. Ridiculously hot, new 100 strategy. It pays US $100 for no work, in seconds. Imagine spending $500 on Christmas gifts, and receiving $500 in free crypto? Or spending no money and getting $100 instantly? No email list, no money out of pocket, no experience needed, and do this from anywhere in the world. Let's check the demo and see how it works for you.
Imagine spending $500 on Christmas presents and then receiving $500 in free crypto? I want to introduce you to a ridiculously hot new strategy that pays you back 100% of what you bought online in cryptocurrency. This is like getting all your purchases for free. This is crypto you can easily exchange for US dollars or for your local currency, or exchange it for Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. Or just hold it for future appreciation. And just in time for the shopping season, we have something amazing for you. Since it is the Christmas holiday season, we wanted to get this to you as soon as possible so that you can benefit massively. What we're about to show you is how you can get all your Christmas gifts for free. It's a simple 3-step process. Number 1, use our special strategy to buy your Christmas gifts. Number 2, you'll earn crypto equal to the amount you spent on your Christmas gifts. And so that means if you spend $100, you get $100 back. If you spend $1,000, you get $1,000 back. If you spend $5,000, you earn $5,000 in crypto back. So it's like you're getting paid to buy things. And then number 3, now do whatever you want with your free crypto. You can cash it out, you can hold it, or you can exchange it for other crypto of your choice. We've tested this and it works 100%. In our tests, James and I have already gotten back cryptocurrency using this super simple method. It's incredible. And we're going to reveal exactly how to do this strategy step by step in our new product called the 100 system. All you have to do is follow the step-by-step process that we teach you in this training, and in minutes, you could be generating some of that sweet crypto. Look, you may have noticed that this page is very plain, and that's because we couldn't wait to get this to you as soon as possible. So you could immediately start using this strategy to earn cryptocurrency while you buy your Christmas gifts. Not only that, but we're also going to show you how to make $100 just for sharing this strategy with others through a hidden backdoor affiliate program. Do you know anyone that would like to make 100% of their holiday spending back in free crypto? If so, guess what? You just made $100 for sharing this amazing strategy with people you care about. We've already referred this strategy to our family members and close friends, and we've made $100 each time. How many people do you know who would love to get 100% back on their purchases? 10? That's $1,000 for you. 100? That's $10,000 for you. 500? That equals $50,000 for you. All your Facebook friends? That equals who knows how much for you. Well, multiply whatever that number is by 100, and that's how much you'll make just by referring the system to them. And it's as easy as sharing your affiliate link. Do this now. That juicy $100 affiliate commission is only good until December 25th. So right now is the time to get started. You know that James and I only put out quality products, and this is no different. The only difference is we had to rush this to you because we know what a huge difference it can make in your life right now as you start buying Christmas and holiday gifts. How about you get paid $100 just to get this? I almost forgot to mention this, but it is so cool. When you follow the steps in our training, you'll learn how you can get $100 added to your crypto wallet just for signing up. So let me outline the 3 reasons you need to jump on this strategy immediately. Number 1, get up to 100% of your purchases online back in the form of cryptocurrency. Number 2, refer others to the program, and you make $100 per referral, but only until December 25th. So do this now. And number 3, get $100 just for signing up. As you can see, this is an incredible strategy, and you'll learn all about it in this quick, simple, yet amazing training. Listen, we're in a hurry to get this to you because we know it can make a difference, a huge difference in your life. Even after Christmas, you'll be able to buy anything you want and get up to 100% of that purchase price back in crypto. So you won't see a big sales funnel with a lot of upsells this time. We really just wanted to get this news to you as soon as possible. Look at it this way. When you get this strategy from us, you're going to make $100 as a signing bonus. You're going to make $100 for every person you refer who also wants 100% of their purchases paid back to them. And number 3, you're going to make back up to 100% of everything you buy online. It's an incredible way to earn free cryptocurrency. So really, what do you have to lose? Or let's put it this way, what will you lose by not getting this strategy? Well, you'll lose a $100 signing bonus. You'll lose $100 per referral, and you'll lose the opportunity to get 100% in cryptocurrency for every purchase you make online. The decision is yours. Hope to see you on the inside.
Limited time offer. Click the link below and get amazing discounts. Make sure you are purchasing this product through my link for getting exclusive bonuses. Thank you for taking the time to read my review.